You are here to represent Kenya's voices.
Nikigomano kia Anyiti itemi matiganite ruhonge-ini rwa githomo aria makoretwo magithurima uria mutaratara mweru wa githomo ukoretwo ukiruta wira thengia ya gukorwo Anyiti itemi aingi matiakuruhanirio uria kwagiriire.
Thank you, George.
Kuringana na Profesa Makau Mutua uria ni umwe wa aria megwikinyitie kigomano-ini giki, aciari ni magirirwo gukuruhanio makiria nigetha mataukwo uria mutaratara uyu uratwarithio.
Are completely ignored when it comes to these kinds of changes. And why would you do that? Why are parents not being engaged in this issue? Why would you do that? You know, all these people making decisions, you think their kids are in public schools? Are they in public schools? They are treating us like guinea pigs. Let us try this. Might work, it might not work.
The education system that does not involve stakeholders will fail and fail miserably. I want to impress upon the government and especially the Minister of Education to see to it that they involve the union leadership.
Anyiti itemi yani maugite mamwe ma maundu maria ciana irathomithio rungu rwa mutaratara uyu wa CBC matingihuthika guthima ugi wao ta uria maratariria.
Now when you reduce this young generation to garbage collection, you want to turn them into what I call city cleaners. Is that CBC? Must your child collect garbage for him or her to be competent based?
Oho ni maugite thirikari ni yahanyukirie kurutithia mutaratara uyu wira thengia gukorwo kuri na thukuru itari na arutani matari marataukwo uria mutaratara uyu uratwarithio.
If teachers are not competent enough to implement this curriculum, how will the products be competent?
We are not ready with physical infrastructure to do so. It remains a crisis we don't acknowledge, remains a crisis that needs a huge amount of public attention.
Want to see convincing research work conducted by the ministry. It is a moment for experts in curriculum development.
Muthenya wa rucio niguo riboti igie uria mutaratara uyu ukoretwo ukirutithio wira ikarekererio.
That is the collective position.
Giribotera Kameme TV retwa rakwa ni Wanjiru wa Foro.
Particularly for